there's always ripple effects, right? We call this the butterfly effect, don't we, right? That notion in chaos theory that there's that ripple effect. No matter what happens, there always seems to be a ripple effect, doesn't there? And to that degree, you got to be careful what you wish for. And yet, what would you wish for? One of the famous renditions of this is the beautiful woman who wishes to never die, but she forgets to wish for eternal youth, and so she just keeps growing older and older and older, and she can never actually die. In your junior year, when you study T.S. Eliot's The Love Song of Geoffrey Prufrock, that story will be referenced as a very famous element in Dante, as a very famous old story. Be careful what you wish for, you might actually get it. And then, of course, finally, to what degree do you believe in freedom? To what degree do you believe in freedom? Some people have said that the greatest act of free will is to believe in free will. Do you believe that you are controlled by your DNA or by some other kind of force? Or do you believe that you are totally free to act and behave as you so wish? Well, there you go, an introduction to Jacob's famous text, The Monkey's Paw. Thank you.